Hold on tight, because the future of compact SUVs just arrived. Prepare to have your mind blown as we dive deep into the all-new 2026 Kia Stonic. This isn't just a refresh. It's a complete revolution. All right, buckle up, everyone. We're finally getting our first real look at the 2026 Kia Stonic. And let me tell you, it's a total showstopper. Kia has seriously upped their game with this one. Forget everything you thought you knew about the Stonic, because this new model is a complete departure from the old. The exterior design is bolder, more aggressive, and features sleek lines that give it a seriously modern look. We're talking about a completely redesigned front fascia, with striking new headlights and a more prominent grille. The rear end has also been revamped, with a stylish new taillight design that wraps around the corners of the car. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, we're expecting to see some exciting changes as well. Rumors are swirling about a potential hybrid powertrain option, which would make the 2026 Stonic even more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly. And of course, you can expect a range of advanced safety features and driver assistance technologies to keep you safe and connected on the road. Early reports suggest enhanced autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. The inside is just as impressive, with upgraded materials, a more intuitive infotainment system, and a host of new comfort and convenience features that will make every drive a pleasure. Now, let's talk about the interior, because this is where the Stonic truly shines. Kia has clearly paid attention to detail, using high-quality materials and crafting a cabin that feels both modern and luxurious. The dashboard has been completely redesigned, with a focus on minimalism and ease of use. A large touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console. It's offering seamless integration with your smartphone and a range of connected services. We're also expecting to see some exciting new features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. The seats have been redesigned for added comfort and support, and there's plenty of space for both passengers and cargo. And speaking of cargo space, the 2026 Stonic boasts a surprisingly spacious trunk, making it perfect for weekend getaways or trips to the grocery store. The panoramic sunroof fills the cabin with natural light. Kia has really thought of everything with this new Stonic, creating a vehicle that is both stylish and practical. Finally, the burning question.